Hello guys, welcome back to the next video of question number 2 from the ISC 2023 question paper for accountancy. If you have missed out the previous videos, do check out the entire playlist we have. And if you don't want to miss out the future videos, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Let's get started with this question. This is a sum of death where we have to prepare only PR's capital account, one of the partners. So let's see what all do we have. We have the old ratio given to us, which is 3 is to 2 is to 1. Pia died on 31st October 21. Her capital as on 1st April 21 was 24,000. Straight away, then we pick this information up and we can write it down here as April 1 by balance BD. By balance BD, we write 24,000. First entry is done, and her share of profit for the year 21-22 till the date of her death was ascertained as 2000. So this calculation is done as well. This is given to her on the date of death. So this becomes October 31 by PL suspense account, guys. This is given to the partner via PL suspense account. 2000 to be given. All right, this is done. What do we have next? Office equipment of the firm, the book value of which was 10,000 on 1st April 21, was revalued on the date of Pia's death at rupees 13,600. Okay, so there is a revaluation profit, the share which is due to Pia to be given to her, right? So that comes as by revaluation account. Okay, now you have to do the calculation. The revaluation profit that is coming 2 is 3,600. Out of that, you have to calculate Pia's share, which is 3 is to 2 is to 1. So out of that, it's 3 by 6, right? So 3 by 6, we get as revaluation profit share for Pia. Okay, so let's do the calculation. 1800. Okay, that is the share of revaluation profit when the equipment is revalued at a higher value. Point number 1 is done then. Point number 2, the amount of 35,000 due to Pia's executor in full settlement of the claim was transferred to her executor's loan account. So let's come to the debit side. 2021 October 31, the amount which is given to executor's loan account, which is Pia's executor's loan account. So that goes here, and the amount is mentioned, 35,000 is given, right? So we have put this here. However, now we have to check whether both the sides are tallying. If we add the credit side, we get 27,800. However, on the debit side, we have 35,000. That means there is something which is missing. And as we can understand, whenever a partner is dying, the deceased partner should get the share of goodwill. The difference is nothing but that share of goodwill, which is not given here. So you can say that's the hidden goodwill. Okay, so let's find out how much is that amount. So we can easily calculate that value of hidden goodwill, PR's share of goodwill, right? So that's coming to 35,000 minus 27,800, which is the total of the credit side. 7,200 is the value of goodwill which PI is getting. And as you know, the deceased partner gets the share of goodwill in the gaining ratio from the gaining partners. Now, as the question has not mentioned any other ratio, any other new ratio between the continuing partners, the old partner, the ratio, the new ratio that they have becomes the gaining ratio as well for them. So for Sia and Jia, 2 is to 1 is their ratio, the new ratio after Pia's movement. Then the gaining ratio also is 2 is to 1. So this amount is given to Pia in their gaining ratio. All right. So let's write it down. Pia's capital account will be credited by Sia's capital account and by Jia's capital account. So let's write the entry. By Jia's capital account, amount will be 7200 into the share, which is 2 is to 1, that means 2 by 3, and here it becomes 7200 minus 4800, 2400. These are the amounts. Now if you do the addition, this is coming to 35,000, right? So this is the account which they have asked for 3 marks. This is the tricky part here, hidden goodwill. If this is missed out, then you miss out some marks, you will not get the full marks. So be careful about this. Always tally both the sides to understand if you have done it correctly or not. All right. So this is it about this sum. We'll catch you all in the next video with the next sums that we have in the series. Stay tuned for more videos. Do share with your friends so that they can also get benefit out of it. Thanks for watching.